So, to get a client on LinkedIn, you have to follow a specific process, which is called as outreach method. For this, we are following view profile. Uh, on LinkedIn, there is a feature if someone has a premium LinkedIn profile, he or she can see that who visited my profile. So that's why we are first visiting his profile, then sending a personalized connection request after 1 or 3 hours. With this, what he or she will think that this person come to my profile, saw my profile, and saw that I have done so much good work. And if I send him or her a personalized connection request like hi, first name, and talk about his or her company, there is a better chance that he will accept my request. Likewise, after that, we will send him first message. And if I got a reply could be yes or no, and no reply. Okay. If I got yes reply, then invite for video or call. If there is reply no, we can assume that we can say it's an end of that client. And if there is no reply, we can again send a follow-up message with the view profile, liking post. And while doing this, he or she think that this person is persistent and he really wants to talk to me. Then we will send him again a follow message, repeat it, and if again it doesn't uh, give me a reply, then we can end this campaign. So what if I say there's an automation tool which can do all these things? So for this, we are using Heyrich. This is an automation tool we will use. First, what you need to do is, let's say I want to target YouTubers. Okay, I go in and I selected, let's say I want to target only UK YouTubers who knows English and from UK. So I got about 10,000 result. I just copy this link and go in my lead generation, go in my Heyrich app. There's a there I can go in a leads, add leads, continue, name YouTubers, UK, sender, selected my profile, URL, start importing. Now what it will do, it will make our lead profile. It will take some time. Now we can use this list. Here we can even exclude it. Let's say I don't want to target first connection. No profile picture is not even needed. If the person is not using a profile picture, we can assume that it's just a spammer or he is not even interested in us. Let's continue. Selected my profile. Here we can set working hours. And here we can configure maximum connection requests. I recommend 25 to 30, not more than that. Maximum profile views per days and all. Everything is fine. Continue, add profile. First view profile, and I want to send connection request after 3 hours. I selected it, and after that, I want to send connection request um, with hi, first name. I would love to connect with you. I love your format message will be like which doesn't consist of these things. I would love to connect with him. In case Save. After one day, I want to send a cold outreach message. Hi, first name, save. Let's say if he replied, we can end this campaign. And if he didn't respond, we can again view his profile, like his post. And after one day or so, we can again send a follow-up message for this. And if he didn't reply, we can, if he still didn't accept it, our request after 5 days, we can end this campaign like that. This is how we can use this automation tool for our generating high end clients.